Here's a video, Sally, so I can put it on Facebook and you can show people at work. Come on then. Hey, Ninny. Oh my goodness, look at his front legs. Muffet, you need to get out the way. Look at his leg. Look at his leg. Looking a little bit perplexed. Ooh, 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 ooh. Good God. I think he wants to come over. Don't bang your chops on this though. Oh, cute. Mum's not helping, is she? Eh? Oh my God, look at his legs. Oh. Let's see if I can reach you without spooking you. I can't believe his legs are in such a weird position. Hello. I wonder what you're going to be called. And hear Muffet's stomach rumbling. Oh God, I don't know if I can help you up. You've got to learn to get up on your own now, haven't you? Hey? Oh, nice markings. God. Oh, oh, here he goes. Don't bang your chops on here. Oh my God. Oh, flip his leg. Oh, you just can't get up. No, Muffet. Oh, that's a nice photo. I think he wants to feed, look. You got to stand up to feed, Mush. What are you eating? Little pink tongue. That's Muffet's nose. Is she pushing the camera? Thank you. You need a webcam, Sally, and then you could watch all the time at work. Get up. God, I can hear her stomach grumbling. Oh, he's nicely marked. Oh my God, he's got a black tail. Oh, I think he wants a drinkies. Can't you lie down? She keeps nudging me. So leave him alone. Oh. You need to get up, Poppet. Hey? You need to stand up and get... Good heavens. Oh, it's lovely.